You see a little water on your basement floor. You clean it up and then you go on with your day, not thinking much about the water on the basement floor. Stay tuned to find out what the cost of waiting could be. Hi, I'm Nolan and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Life is busy. An issue with your foundation can throw off the rhythm of your life. In this video, I'll explain the benefits of making a repair, the disadvantages of waiting, and can some repairs be delayed? Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. If you start the repair as soon as you see the problem with that first flood in the basement, this is the most efficient and cost-effective time to do it. It's going to be the cheapest because you don't have other things that need to be repaired, and you're not going to have to worry about other expenses down the road. You're going to get this taken care of the first time and not have to worry about it again. If that water is allowed to just stand in your basement for an extended time, that water is going to start to rot out your studs, your sill plates. It can even cause mold to grow inside the drywall of your basement or on the subfloor of your main level, allowing those floors to sag, and extensive repairs in the future will be needed for that. So one of the things that we can look at, especially when you catch this early, is if water's coming in just one wall, maybe we can tackle just that problem. But the longer you wait and the water comes in more walls, then we have to do the whole basement. And then if that starts to leak through the walls because it's coming in everywhere else, then you may have to do additional repairs on the walls. So there is an option to where if it's leaking in just a corner or a couple walls, you could tackle those walls at the time and maybe hold off till you see a problem on the other walls. And so that's one of the big advantages about catching it early before you have to spend all the money to repair everything because you delayed on the initial repair. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about the right time to make repairs on your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.